नमो नमः श्री सिद्धि विनायक नमो नमः।
Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal at Kidney Health Center has over 15 years expertise in blood pressure control, kidney stone and kidney transplant management, hemo and peritoneal dialysis, specializing in chronic kidney disease from diabetes, high blood pressure, and autoimmune diseases. They promote the use of advanced technology in their business practice and treat their patients with a customized approach. All insurances, Medicare and Medicaid accepted. They have 3 convenient locations for you in Sugar Land, Medical Center, and West Houston area. For Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal, board certified in nephrology, visit their website at bozenhealth.com or call 713-520-6875 for appointments. That's 713-520-6875.
Allings would like to thank you for your support during the COVID-19 lockdown and express our highest gratitude to medical professionals and first responders who fight on to keep us safe. Allings is now open for safe distance dining with tables set at least 6 feet apart, following all guidelines and taking precautions for the safety of our guests and staff. See you at Allings for a delightful dining experience. Halal menu available. Visit us at allingschinese.com.
What's that sound?
Oh no, it's my electricity bill. डर लगता है इसको खोलते हुए यार.
Me too.
You too?
Na you too, na me too. It's E2.
ये E2 क्या है?
E2 Power is your solution. They can help you to save money by finding the lowest energy rates, the best contract terms, and the right product.
Make E2 Power your trusted resource and power your business or home. E2 Power matches the best electricity plans at the best available rates.
E2 Power ensures they deliver competitive prices and full support at all stages of the process. Even if you need to transition to another supplier, don't worry. E2 Power can help you make that transition smoothly.
अरे वाह, पैसे भी बचाओ और टाइम भी बचाओ.
Call today E2 Power at 832-390-2291. That's 832-390-2291 or visit e2powerhub.com.
कौन हो तुम? रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप होते हैं, नाम है
Namaste Radio on 1050 AM.
That's right, नाम है नमस्ते रेडियो. मैं हूँ वंशिका, मेरे साथ हैं डीजे डोली दीप एंड सुशील वर्मा. हथौड़ा है क्या? नहीं है. बट हमारे अंदर जो ये पावर आती है वो आती है एक स्पेशल कंपनी से. एंड आज एक्चुअली उनका इंटरव्यू होने वाला था, लेकिन यहाँ के स्टूडियो के लाइन आज चल नहीं रहे हैं यार. क्यों नहीं चल रहे हैं लाइन्स?
क्रिस्टीना का पूछ रहा क्या?
यस, क्रिस्टीना, वेयर आर यू? बट ये लाइन्स चल नहीं रहे हैं, सो वी विल पोस्टपोन द इंटरव्यू टू नेक्स्ट वीक, और probably let's see what we can come up with this week. So I am talking about E2 Power.
जी हाँ.
The E2 Power is your solution. If you are paying too much for electricity, have long contracts, need someone who can save your time and your money, then E2 Power it is, people. For both your residential and commercial needs, E2 Power को कॉल करिए और वो आपके सारी चीज़ों का टेक केयर कर लेंगे, आपके पैसे बचाएंगे, आपका टाइम बचाएंगे. E2 Power. Follow them on Facebook and on Instagram to know about their current deals. E2 Power on Facebook and Instagram. Visit their website e2powerhub.com. That's e2powerhub.com, or call them directly at 832-390-2291. एंड आगे बढ़ने से पहले विजय जी ने एक मैसेज भेजा है कि वो भी हमें बड़ा मिस कर रहे थे, जैसे हम उन्हें मिस कर रहे थे, वो भी बड़ा मिस कर रहे थे. ये कोविड के वजह से वो काम पे नहीं जा रहे थे, सो संडेज यूजली आई थिंक ही इज़ काइंड ऑफ एडिटिंग एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ इन स्टूडियो, तो रिलैक्स होके बड़ा हमारा शो सुनते हैं. तो आज वो वापस आए हैं तो सुन रहे हैं. थैंक यू सो मच विजय जी. आई एम सो हैप्पी टू हियर दैट आप ठीक हैं. आपकी जो सुंदर सी बीवी हैं वो भी ठीक हैं. मेरी उनसे बातचीत होती रहती है थ्रू फेसबुक, सो आई नो वो भी ठीक हैं. बट आप काम पे वापस आए, ज़िंदगी वापस नॉर्मल हो रही है, तो सब कुछ जान के बड़ा अच्छा लगा और अच्छा लगा कि आप हमें सुन रहे हैं. लेकिन मेरे पास अभी एक तड़कती भड़कती सी न्यूज़ आई है एंड ये हमारा न्यूज़ का सेगमेंट है जिसमें हम थोड़ी लोकल न्यूज़ के बारे में बात करते हैं, थोड़े इवेंट्स लोकल के बारे में बात करते हैं. नेक्स्ट सेगमेंट में भी करेंगे उसके बारे में. एंड वर्ल्ड न्यूज़ के बारे में बात करते हैं, इंडिया की न्यूज़, यू नो, एनीवेयर इन द वर्ल्ड. And this segment is brought to you by India Herald, a newspaper of record for the Indian American community for the last 25 years. I think अब 26 साल हो चुके होंगे. तो अगर आपको उनका डिजिटल एडिशन देखना है, पढ़ना है, तो visit them at india-herald.com and subscribe to it, or just follow them on their Facebook page, India Herald. So अभी जो न्यूज़ आई है थोड़ी सैड है. आई जस्ट सॉ इट थ्रू सोनू निगम्स फेसबुक पेज. ही अनाउंस्ड इट. सो द म्यूज़िक डायरेक्टर डुओ साजिद वाजिद जो उनमें से एक भाई हैं, ही जस्ट passed away.
Oh boy.
He was admitted to the hospital due to a heart blockage. And apparently he just passed away. अगर कुछ लोगों को नहीं पता है who I'm talking about, because I was a big fan of their music. One of their favorite music मेरा was मैं और Mrs. Khanna.
Even Salman Khan की movies.
Yeah, a lot of movies, but my favorite.
Dabang is all them.
So Wanted, Dabang, Partner, एक था Tiger, were among many others. But मैं और Mrs. Khanna में एक गाना है, what was that song? Don't Say Alvida. That was one of my favorites. Yes.
मेरा favorite गाना है उनका
प्यार का वादा, वो वाला मेरा favorite गाना.
मेरा जावेद
So
भाई
sad.
है.
What is जावेद भाई?
हमसे प्यार कर ले तू गिरफ्तार कर ले. That movie यार, with जब से मेरे दिल को तुझ पे मरना आ गया.
Oh, Shahid Kapoor and Priyanka Chopra movie.
Where they have the three generations or
God.
Yeah, they have 3-4 generations. That's right.
yeah, what was the name of the movie though?
We'll find out, but let's take a song break and we will find out which movie that was.
Back here on Namaste Radio, 10:50 a.m. on this news segment right here is brought to you by Yuva Bollywood Dance and Fitness. Dance like a star with Yuva, from birthday parties to weddings to all sorts of events they can do for you. Call them today at 281-770-6287. Right now, during this pandemic season, they are doing online classes, so call them today at 281-770-6287 Visit their website, yuvadance.com. Follow them on Facebook and Instagram, 281-770-6287 or yuvadance.com.
That's right, yuvadance.com. So moving forward with the news, something nice. हमारे जो फोर्ट बेंड काउंटी के जज केपी जॉर्ज हैं उन्होंने फाइनली अनाउंस कर दिया है दैट आई डिड स्पीक अबाउट इट अ लिटिल बिट लास्ट वीक बट देन दिस स्टार्ट्स टुमारो the COVID-19 rental mortgage and utilities assistance program in Fort Bend County.
Woohoo!
So tomorrow it kicks in. Again, the rental mortgage utility assistance program for Fort Bend County residents will be launched tomorrow, June 1st, tomorrow. So 19.5 million allocated for rental mortgage assistance, 2 million for utility assistance, and all of this will be implemented in phases. Then residents can apply via online portal at www.fortbendcountytexas, that is TX, so fortbendcountytx.gov, or via call center at 281-238-2273. The program is open for all people, so take advantage of it if you have suffered through COVID-19 because for your paying for your mortgage, for your rent, for your utilities. But however there are qualifications. Of course, अगर आप अभी 10 million कमा रहे हैं तो प्लीज़ इसमें ज़रूर कॉल ना करें. And documentation भी required होंगी. So either just follow Judge KP George. Actually, that's a good thing. If you are a Fort Bend County resident, definitely follow him on Facebook. He does have updates every day. But the best way to take advantage of this is to go to fortbendcountytx.gov, and you will have all the qualifications that fit are good for this assistance program, or even whatever kind of required documentations are. The documentations are required. So आप ज़रूर take advantage of this. And if you found that you took advantage of this and आपको क्या easy process था, क्या था, if you have any kind of feedback, do let us know. We would definitely share that with Judge KP George directly. Before I get into another song break, एक इंडिया के जो लॉकडाउन के फेजेस चल रहे थे उसमें जो अभी ओपनिंग के फेजेस हैं उसमें हम सब ने देखा, I don't know if you saw, or Sushil actually had been sharing these pictures of the flights which were resumed and the way the air hostess were dressed and like totally covered and वो पूरे सूट के साथ. So I don't know if you saw it. It was funny, but at the same time it was very sad because this is what life has come to. And सब लोग ने face वो protect shields पहने हुए हैं. And
won't be fun to watch. Used to see some of them walk by me, right?
Yeah, but I don't think you wouldn't even know who is inside because that's how they looked.
Yeah.
And जैसे वो spaceship पे जा रहे हैं वैसे दिख रहे थे.
That's the new norm.
Yeah, and a lot of flights it was kind of a hassle, I think, especially in Mumbai, because I got first-hand news about that. Just 25 flights were allowed to land and 25 flights were allowed to take off. So it's kind of a huge change going on, and people have struggled because a lot of flights people were booked but they didn't know. They just cancelled on them after they reached the airport. So it was crazy. लेकिन I think धीरे धीरे काफ़ी कुछ होगा. जैसे I know anybody who's going to Punjab or UP, they will be under 14-day quarantine mandatory at home. So काफ़ी कुछ हो रहा है. But yeah, flights have resumed in India. A lot of life has resumed back in India normal. But is the new normal the old normal? No, it is not.
Don't know.
It is not.
Yeah.
But
I do know one couple that just left India and now are back in their second home in Canada. And they traveled. I saw their full Instagram story. They posted their whole story, how they traveled, what they were wearing, the shield, everything.
Wow.
It was my friend Manj Music and his wife. They left Bombay just last week.
And they're back in Canada?
Canada, yes.
Wow.
And he posted on his Instagram story the whole procedure. And they wrote a review on Air Canada how professionally they planned. They had everything.
So I had a question because you know यहाँ पे भी a lot of parents were stuck and हमारे जो Consul General of India Houston हैं
Yeah.
Mr. Asim Mahajan, he's been instrumental in getting all the entire Indian government
Yeah.
here, especially him being in Houston is being instrumental in getting all these parents back to India and काफ़ी कुछ वो सब चल रहा है. But someone told me that during this time people were not allowed to use the restroom in the flight. Is that
Oh, wow.
true? Do you know
That
about
is
it?
something I haven't. Maybe I'll ask a friend, man. Was that the case?
Yeah. Because मेरे कुछ friends के parents अभी भी यहाँ पे stuck हैं. But जी हाँ, Consulate has been working very hard and उनका वंदे भारत मिशन flights जो उन्होंने किया है यहाँ से इंडिया काफ़ी लोग वापस जा चुके हैं. At least 2,000 Indians have been able to. They were stranded, so they've been able to help them in segments. So let's see धीरे धीरे कैसे जाएगा. But उनके लिए तालियां.
I think I saw something here that one of my friends, or actually brothers' friends, had their parents just traveled back to India, but they were on a list,
Yes.
the waiting list. to
That
go.
is what it is because इतने सारे more than 2,000 लोग हैं, right? And they
Yeah.
cannot fill the flight completely.
Right,
तो जो ये वंदे भारत मिशन है उसमें they have asked people to register and धीरे धीरे करके
They do.
everybody is
And then they have to
leaving.
keep themselves quarantined when they get back, right? For at least 2
Yes,
weeks.
I'm sure that is the requirement back in
Yeah.
India also.
Yeah.
हमारे पास भी है.
Acha.
Very quick, if you guys are waiting for Bollywood movies, new movies and new movie shows, good news
yes,
for you
I am.
guys is Mumbai के जो CM है उद्धव ठाकरे जी, उन्होंने he's given his green light to the cinematic Federation of Western India Cinema Employees to go and start shooting FWICE with certain conditions. So from next week onwards, movies की shooting चालू हो जाएगी.
That means work. That means work for a lot of people too.
Yeah.
So conditions are very simple. You have to wear face masks, keep hand sanitization equipment, sanitize yourself. Cannot keep more than 30% of employees at any given time for a shoot. So those kind of restrictions, but they can start shooting. The first movie that's going to be start shooting, and I'm waiting for it, they said was Gangubai Kathiawadi, which was Sanjay Leela Bhansali's movie.
Oh yes, with
Alia Bhatt.
Alia
Alia
Bhatt.
Bhatt,
So
yes.
it was already the set was already made, shooting chalu ho gayi thi. So that's what they're going to do, and then
Wow.
of course everything's going to start rolling.
Maybe that's why Katrina signed that superhero.
Probably.
Right.
So from next week onwards.
Awesome.
जुल्फों से बांध लिए बादल, सीने पे से उड़ने लगा आंचल, मुझसे नैना मिला के मौसम होने लगे पागल, सबसे होके बेफिक्र नाचूं मैं आज छम 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 मैं नाचूं आज छम 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 छम
Raindrop bouncing, my heart is announcing you got to take me away. Let's start jumping, my heart goes pumping. I love you in every way. धड़कनों पे बूंद जो गिरी,
तो नाचूं आज छम 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 मैं नाचूं आज छम 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 मैं नाचूं आज गीली हवाएं झूमती है तन को मेरे झूमती है छोड़ के ये शर्म बरम झूम ये जिया कोई भी कहे कुछ भी यहाँ मैंने तो कभी सुना कहा दिल ने मेरे जो भी कहा मैंने वो किया इस पल को मैं आज जी लूं जो भी होगा देखा जाएगा कल मुझसे नैना मिला के मौसम होने लगे पागल है सबसे हो
One of Ruby's favorites.
Oh yeah, she said her daughter dances, right? Chum
Yeah.
chum chum में.
Yeah.
जी हाँ. तो इस वीक आपने देखा प्रेसिडेंट ट्रम्प ने क्या किया?
Golf खेला होगा.
Yeah, he went to Florida. I saw that. What did he do?
Oh, you're talking about WHO?
Yes. So he announced that he was terminating the country's ties with WHO for its failure to carry out reforms, and
Yes, I
said
did
the
see
annual
that.
contribution of 450 million will be diverted to other bodies around the world.
That's US is the highest contributor then, because China only contributes 40 million a year. That's it.
I guess so. That is what I read this week about Trump terminating ties with WHO.
Who?
Ouch, it's going to hurt.
Yeah, it is. That is true. लेकिन आगे बढ़ते हैं एक और न्यूज़ की तरफ. यू नो सारी बैड न्यूज़ आ रही है इतने टाइम से. आई मीन आई एम जस्ट फीलिंग सैड इवन अबाउट हियरिंग अबाउट वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर्स वाजिद. But at the same time, yesterday was a history-making day for America.
That was exciting.
For the world, actually.
Yeah.
But yes, did you watch
I
the
did.
live?
did.
I was watching and I was like,
Me, my dad, grandma, we were all watching
चले
it.
गए, चले गए.
Yeah.
Because it was supposed to happen last week, right? And then
But
weather
weather.
के वजह से नहीं हुआ.
And they were still about an hour before they were still iffy, but then they gave the go. Like, okay, we're
Yeah, and I was like, oh, finally. And I can still see the video right now, right in front
Yeah.
of me, like going up. So, yes, SpaceX makes history, launches NASA astronauts into space from US soil for the first time in 2011. Were you reading so many memes about it? Like, oh, they left the world with COVID. What a good choice.
COVID, good choice. Oh, man. One thing I am happy, one of the guys that was involved in this whole process is the car that I drive. The owner of it, Elon Musk.
Yes,
Yeah.
I know. तेरा Tesla, जो मेरा भी होने वाला है.
That's another company in terms of brand value that has grown over 27 or 37%.
Wow, it has to.
That's
I mean,
In terms of
just-
brand value.
I
Absolutely.
got stock in it.
Good.
Oh, so people announcing it on air. Deep has stock in it. So please start
I
buying
actually have
Tesla.
stock too in one brand.
Now I
that
got to
you're
do some
using.
marketing for Tesla.
I have stock in the fruit as well.
Oh my God, people buy iPhones, please. DJ Dolly Deep has stocks
I know
in there.
whatever stocks I have, keep buying, keep doing.
Keep
stuff.
buying iPhone, keep buying Tesla, because the more you buy, he gets money, I get my Raksha Bandhan gift. And now the new Brothers Day also has come
I
up.
didn't know about this Brothers Day.
I just
To
found out.
रहने दे, you knew, you just want to be conjuice about it.
okay.
But yes, so that was great. And
Yeah.
like I said, 2011 के बाद for the first time, like American soil say final,
And I
space
think
shuttle.
this morning they announced that they did connect with the space station.
Yes,
there, right?
up
So,
there.
Yeah.
And what was that series we saw, Sushil, recently? They have that alien launch.
Is it Lost in Space?
I can't remember. So when I was seeing it yesterday, it just reminded
kind
me
of
of the
brought you memories of
series,
that,
like what they must be talking, inside the spaceship and all of that. So
I was thinking, yeah, because they're gonna be there. I heard they're either from 1 month to 3 months. It could be either
3 months.
Yeah.
They've gone for, and then they said they will have the old school landing, where the capsule they're going to drop it in ocean,
wow,
rather than because the new one is
Yeah.
they have the plane or whatever
Landing,
that makes a landing, right? Yeah, this one they'll do the old school way.
wonderful. So yeah, good luck, and we are so
Well,
proud.
Dragon X, right?
It was exciting to see that because you always like saw movies on it or something like that, but now
I know.
to see it live, it's like, whoa.
Yeah, because last time जब भी कभी हुआ, I never saw it live. Like yesterday, I saw it live.
2011 one I didn't see. I don't know.
Yeah.
That was definitely.
Excited.
So we are coming up to top of the hour right here on Namaste Radio. Keep it locked here. Still lots more to come right here with Vanchika, myself, Dolly Deep, and Houston Kahito, Sushil.
And this part of the show is brought to you by Boss & Hugh. Limited supply of safety products here at Boss & Hugh. KN95 mask, disposable 3-layer mask, disposable medical mask, custom mask, face shield, many more. That fever check वाला भी है उनके पास. उसको क्या बोलते हैं यार, वो equipment दूर से fever check होता है ना. So and just call them and get this, because these are really important stuff at this time. आप हर किसी को मास्क पहन के ही घर से निकलना चाहिए. तो the number is, you can talk to him directly. His name is Gaurav. Talk to Gaurav directly at 563-7012. Follow them on Facebook, Boss and Hugh, and they also will ship it to you even if it's lower quantities. So follow them on Facebook. Otherwise, his number again is 832-563-7012.
Does our Papu wear mask?
Papu is very careful.
Yeah.
So Papu, he does wear mask. In fact, मास्क की तो कोई बात नहीं. रिसेंटली पप्पू जब इंडिया में था बिफोर लॉकडाउन, तो पप्पू टैक्सी चला रहा था. तो एक जापानीज टूरिस्ट, ही हेल्ड पप्पू's टैक्सी in Delhi में, वो भी डाउनटाउन में, and asked to be taken to Indira Gandhi Airport.
Okay.
So on the way, a car zoomed by, and the tourist responded, "Oh, Toyota, made in Japan, very fast, Toyota." So not too long afterward, उसके बाद another car flew by the taxi. This time it was Nissan. So हमारा जो Japanese बाबू होता, "Oh, Nissan, made in Japan, very fast." And then yet another car zipped by, and the tourist said, "Oh, Mitsubishi, made in Japan, very fast." जो अपना पप्पू है, जो 100% शुद्ध हिंदुस्तानी है, was trying to get a little annoyed that the Japanese cars were passing by and this guy was making comments after comments. So when yet another car passed by the taxi, as they were turning into the airport, it was a Honda. So हमारा जो Japanese बोलता, "Oh, Honda, made in Japan, very fast." उतने में पप्पू का दिमाग खराब हो गया, and he stopped the taxi, pointed to the meter and said, "Sir, there will be 500 rupees." तो जापानी बोलता, 500 rupees? It was a short ride. Why so much? तो हमारा पप्पू भाई स्माइल करके बोलता है, "Sir, meter, made in India, very fast."
That's a good one. Keep it locked here, Namaste Radio. Get in until last hour right here. Don't go anywhere.
Namaste Radio on 1050 AM. Modern Indian Radio.
AM 1050 KCHN, Brookshire, Houston.
Let's go! Bollywood entertainment, Bollywood gossip, Bollywood classics, to the latest hits, local news and events happening around town, giveaways, and lots of masti. This is Namaste Radio. Every Sunday, 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. on 1050 AM. Studio line 713-984-1013. Listen online at namasteradiohouston.com. Download the app, available on your Android